A lot of fighters don't realize that the secret to harder, more powerful punches is not how much muscle you have, right? It's not how much weight you're lifting. It's not your resistance training, right? It's not even the size of your muscle. The secret to instantly increasing your punch power is very, very simple. There's 2 rules you always want to follow. 1, sit down on our shots. Sit down on your punches. That basically means bring your power from your legs to your hands. I want to punch through the bag and imagine that I'm bringing the energy out. So for instance, the 1-2, right? Typical 1-2, 1, turning the wrists over, turning the shoulders, not bad. But if I want to increase that power, I got to put it inside the target and take it outside of the target. So as I bring my lead hand back and I twist my shoulder, it forces this shoulder to go forward. I have to put that timing together, right? Because I want to bring the shoulder back. If I throw 4 punches, right? Every time, my elbow goes behind my back because I'm torquing my rib cage here, my abs. I'm moving my abs. My abs are tight as I'm punching. My rib cage is turning. My entire body is twisting. You got to put some anger in your fists. You will see a rise in your power and your technique. Balance first though. Get those feet right. Your movement, you're throwing your shots. You're not losing your balance after you punch, okay? That's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you learned anything, if you got any value from this video, please like, subscribe, share. I'll catch you in the next one. Whew, man.